Alright, so the problem is this. It's the integral of 1 over x squared minus 2x plus dx. Now, if you can factor this, you're going to start with factoring and doing partial fraction decomposition. But this can't be factored. So we're going to complete the square for x squared minus 2x plus 2. And by completing the square, we're going to make it look like something squared plus a number. Okay. So we're going to look at these two over here. And we're actually going to look at the number that's in front of our x. So what's in front of the x over here? Negative 2. So this is like our b. It's negative 2. And the process is this. We take our b and we divide it by 2. So we say negative 2 over 2, which is just what? Negative 1. Okay. So we're going to write this like this. X minus 1, and we put a square here. Now, if we take x minus 1 and we square it, we get x squared minus 2x plus 1. Because there's an extra 1 over here, we're going to subtract whatever this number over here is squared. So we subtract 1 squared, which is just 1. Okay. Why? Because we can't change what this is, and then we add the 2. So all I did was write x squared minus 2x as x minus 1 squared minus 1. Okay? And then I add the 2 because there was a 2 there. So this becomes x minus 1 squared plus 1. This is just the process of completing the square. Yes? See, if you take x, and you take x minus 1, and you square it, right? And you add 2, add 1, you should get what you've got over here. Okay? We're just changing the form. We're not doing anything. So let's go and square this. So if I've got x minus 1 squared, that gives me x squared minus twice the first times the second. So that's minus 2x. Plus the second squared, which is plus 1. Oh, this should be minus 1. Minus 1, and that just gives us the x squared minus 2x. So all we did was complete the square for x squared minus 2x, which means just write it as something squared plus or minus a number. And remember, the goal is that it looks like something that we've seen before. Okay? So all we're doing is a manipulation. Let's make it look like something that we've done before. So this integral that we had up here, I can rewrite. I can rewrite this integral like this. The integral of 1 over x minus 1 squared plus 1 dx. So this is in the form 1 over u squared plus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my u. What should u be? X minus 1. So u is x minus 1. As soon as you find u, you have to find what?
Should be negative 1 over there. Not plus 1. Should be negative plus 1.
Here? Well, this is x minus 1 squared minus 1. Then we have the plus 2. So it became x minus 1 squared. Negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1.
That's why you bottom because you negative 1.
Well, I only did this part. I only did the x squared minus 2x. I didn't add the 2. So u is x minus 1. Du is just what? Yeah. Go ahead and substitute. So this is the integral of 1 over u squared plus 1 dx. And this is going to be what? What is that? What is that? Tan inverse. Well, it's 1 over a. The a is just 1. Tan inverse of u plus c Go back and substitute for u, so we get tan inverse of x minus 1 plus.
Why don't you put dx instead of d?
Because I made a mistake, that's why. Okay. There we go. Thank you.